Welcome to AppStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Play Store apps without Google Play Store on your phone. Are you unable to use Google Play Store app, or is your Google Play Store giving you errors? No issue. You can still browse, download and install apps from Google Play Store without Google Play Store app. To do that, search Aurora Store. Open Chrome, search Aurora Store. You can go to Aurora Store's official website to read all about them. But to download Aurora Store in your phone, find F-Droid link. On F-Droid, you can download Aurora Store. Scroll down. Find Download APK link. Press it and it will ask, do you want to download Aurora Store APK? Press download anyway. File was downloaded. Let's open it. Select package installer and then select install. Aurora Store is being installed. It is not alternative to Google Play Store app. It is Google Play Store's interface alternative, and it is open source. It displays apps, screenshots and everything from Google Play Store. That is why you need to log into it by using your Google account. So after it's downloaded and installed, select open, press next, grant permissions, and after allowing permissions, press finish. Then you have to log in to Aurora Store by using your Google account. So once you are logged into Aurora Store, you will see the apps. So if you can't access Google Play Store apps because of some problem with App Store, Google App Store, you can use this Aurora Store to access Google Play Store apps. Now you can browse, use, install apps from Google Play Store without using Google Play Store app. Let me show you. Let's install an app. Let's install this app. And it is being downloaded and installed. And let me show you, I already have got Play Store on my phone. And this is the Aurora Store app installed in our phone. And now we have installed this app by using Aurora Store, not Google Play Store, in our phone. And that's it. It's been installed by using Aurora app. There it is. So this is how you can use Aurora Store in your phone. You can download it, you can install it, and you can use it to browse apps, Android apps from Google Play Store. And you can install apps from Google Play Store by using Aurora Store app in your phone. So in case there is some issue with the Google Play Store, you can use Aurora Store. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.